With me is Doug Killian, who runs Mall of the Americas in Bloomington, Minnesota, the largest shopping mall in North America, and with over 42 million visitors per year, and a tourist attraction in its own right. Doug, why did you come to the Shop America One Travel Conference here in Orlando?
I came to the Shop America One Travel Conference here to learn new techniques for tourism marketing. Mall of America attracts, as you mentioned, 42 million visitors a year, 40% of whom are tourists who come from outside the 150-mile radius. We have 520 stores at the mall, so retail is the heart of what we do, but we also have fantastic attractions for families, a huge indoor amusement park, Nickelodeon Universe, an aquarium, Lego, other things. But we know that shopping is the #1 reason people travel in the world. There are fantastic people at this conference who are presenting the latest in marketing techniques. Obviously, we know how important social media is. Kieran, in fact, just gave a great talk on that. And just to network with our colleagues and to learn best practices so I can take that back to Mall of America and really make sure we continue to have good success in the tourism marketing field.
You're celebrating your 20th anniversary this year.
Yes, Mall of America is very excited. It's our 20th anniversary, and in fact, it's interesting, when the mall was first built in 1992, many people, me included, I worked for North Australians at the time, thought the mall would be like one of the roller coasters in our amusement park. For a couple years, it would go up and up and up with the novelty, and then it would go down, down, down once the novelty wore off. Well, here we are 2 decades later, and the mall had its best year ever last year. And really, tourism is a big part of that. Again, half of our annual sales, which are about $1 billion. And so it's really that combination of great retail, tourism, dining, retail attractions that keep Mall of America successful. And this is our 20th anniversary. We're going to install 2 brand new rides in our Nickelodeon Universe amusement park, opening March 1, in time for spring break. We've got a lot of other events planned this year to really give back to the 800 million people that have visited Mall of America during the last 2 decades, to say thanks. And keep coming. We're going to have a lot of great things in the future to make sure we continue to lead the industry in the U.S. in terms of retail and entertainment.
Well, continued success, and thank you for visiting with Travel Mall today.
I appreciate it. Thank you.